Hello friends and greetings for the day. Welcome back to another tutorial on ISTQB Advanced Technical Test Analyst. We are in the last topic of chapter 4 and moving to the next topic is compatibility testing, which is the last topic of this chapter, and finally we'll be looking into the sample questions in the upcoming tutorials. So the last topic is compatibility testing. In this tutorial, we'll be understanding what exactly compatibility testing is all about and how does it really help us to understand that how compatibility can be another important constraint to understand about an application's behavior. First of all, compatibility is to check if one particular software is compatible with another set of softwares which can be installed on the same environment at any point of time. And that's really important to be tested, because if you create a new application and the environment already has certain applications and they do not compatible with each other, then it might be a big problem that it may ask the client to uninstall the remaining softwares in order to use the software. So it becomes really important to install the software in an environment where already other softwares are being installed, and then check the presence of this software with compatibility of the other software. So compatibility is altogether to make sure that this newly built application is compatible with other. The best example to understand this is the antiviruses. Generally, when you have an antivirus with then you try to install the second antivirus on the same operating system where you already have one antivirus, it will always prompt you to uninstall the previous one in order to install a new one. And that's what we call it as a compatibility or coexistent issue. That means I cannot stay together with this particular software. And that's how you try to test the compatibility testing. As a part of compatibility testing, it has two major parameters to be tested. One is coexistence and second is interoperability. Coexistence is to just make sure that whether two applications can stay in one particular environment without interfering each other. That means having a Windows Media Player, having a Notepad for application, or probably having any other number of applications, but do not conflict with anyone else. Whereas interoperability is all about that when two different applications can communicate between each other and pass information. For example, if you want to connect two different tools, for example, you have e-commerce website and a payment gateway. So interoperability means here that payment gateway understands what value of shopping you have done on e-commerce website in order to charge you, and same thing has to be sent back to the e-commerce website in order to tell them that this is what I have charged the customer and I'll be paying this amount. So yes, this is how interoperability works and have data exchange between two systems. But interoperability is not covered in this syllabus as it is a part of the test analyst. So if you want more details, you can view the card on the top to go to the test analyst interoperability coverage. Let's talk about coexistence testing. Coexistence testing, as I just told you in a simple term, that coexistence testing is to make sure that when different products are installed on the same environment, then we check that if the other tools have any kind of issues, conflicts with the newly installed software. So just for example, we were talking about antivirus. The same way we try to install the software on the environment and check if any other application prompts me that this is not compatible with me and we cannot coexist together. So the main logic is to check if the both tool or both softwares or many other softwares can stay together with this new software what you're making, which is supposed to be installed on the same environment. So let's talk a little more about that. Coexistence problems may arise when the application is tested in an environment where it is the only installed application. Of course, when you are trying to test compatibility, you need to make sure that the environment already includes the softwares which will be there in the environment. If you test in an environment where the other applications which will be there in the live environment is not available, then the compatibility issues or coexisting issues cannot be found, because you will be alone having this new software and that environment, and it would probably work very well. But what happens if you have other applications also on that environment? You may come to know about coexistence issues. So yes, we must try to install the necessary softwares which need to be there with the new software what you're trying to test. Typical objective of coexistence testing includes evaluation of possible adverse impact on functionality when applications are loaded in the same environment, and evaluation of the impact to any application resulting from the deployment of operating system fixes and upgrades. So there are two parameters of it. One is obviously the conflict between two different applications. That is the one which you have made it recently or what which you are testing, and second which already exists. So do we have any kind of functionality conflicts and does not let you do this operation due to the second application. And the second part is to make sure that anytime the operating system, which is the environment, is updated or has any kind of upgrades involved, does that impact your application to do certain performance or certain functionality, or yes or no? That is what you try to measure as a part of coexistence. Coexistence issues should be analyzed when planning and targeted production environment, but the actual tests are normally performed after system testing has been successfully completed. So generally the compatibility testing will only happen once your application is completely ready and deployed on the environment of use. So that's all from this particular tutorial, team. We just had a small topic to talk about compatibility testing, and we did understand a little more detail about what is coexistence testing and how compatibility testing can be performed really well. So if you have anything else beyond this, feel free to comment below. I'll be there to address your queries and answer them well. Thanks for watching the video, team. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring, keep understanding the context. Thanks for watching the video, team, and happy learning.